Hey everybody, Sakani here. Today we're going to be taking a look at this integration/volume problem. So we have the base of a solid is the region bounded by the parabola x squared equals 8y and the line y equals 4. And each plane section perpendicular to the y-axis is an equilateral triangle. What is the volume of the solid? So a lot of stuff in this problem, but of course, let's first draw the graph. So here we have the graph, and I see that it is saying that each section perpendicular to the y-axis is an equilateral triangle. So perpendicular to the y-axis, meaning that we're going this way. So I'm just going to draw an equilateral triangle over here. So we get how it looks. So this is going to be the equilateral triangle, and we're going to be using integration to find the sum of these triangles as they're popping out of the paper. So first, let's establish our bounds. We know that our bounds are going to be 0 to 4 right over there, because once again, we're going with the y-axis. So we have 0 to 4. And now we're going to integrate the volume, we're going to integrate the area of this triangle right here. How do we know the area of an equilateral triangle? Well, the area of an equilateral triangle is nothing but square root 3 over 4 side squared. But how do we know the side? So the side is going to be what's on the parabola, right? Because all the sides are the same, so we're just going to consider the side on the parabola. Now this side on the parabola, this part right over here is x, and this part right over here is x. Now we're going to use the equation of the parabola to find this x. We know that the equation of the parabola is x squared equals 8y, and from there we know that x is equal to square root of 8y. And we can simplify that further, which is 2 root 2y. So that is the value of x right over here. And then we're going to have another value of x right over here. So now this whole entire side is going to be this plus that right over there. So that is going to be s. So that is s right over there. And now I'm just going to write square root 3, 4. And then we already found s, which is this 4 root 2y squared dy. And now I just need to simplify this. And our final answer is going to be 64 root 3.